It is gorgeous outside today. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Stew Down South. My name is Chris Stewart and welcome to the channel. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you for clicking on the video. Happy New Year's and happy late Christmas, or Merry late Christmas. It's New Year's Eve currently right now and we've got beautiful conditions, so I'm gonna get out here, try to catch a couple fish. But yeah, Happy New Year's. You'll probably see this on New Year's or maybe a little bit later. So yeah, comment your New Year's resolution down in the comments below. Mine's probably going to be do a little bit more fishing in my off time next season, and I don't know, not take life so serious and be so hard on myself. I felt like I was really hard on myself last year and trying to get stuff done. So I'm gonna kick it down a gear, just try to enjoy myself and relax and enjoy this next coming years. So yeah, I just appreciate all you guys' love too for this past year and a half that I've been making these videos, and it's been nothing but fun and a blast. And I really can't thank you guys enough for showing all the love that you have and being there to support me. I do this for you guys. I mean, none of this is for me. I do this so y'all can watch my fishing journey and I guess kind of capture all these moments on camera. So thank you guys for watching these videos. It's been a great year. I hope next year's just as great. So let's get to some fish. We'll get the camera rolling when we get there. Thank you for watching. Got the kayak loaded down today. We got a pretty long track ahead of us, so I'm gonna whip out the trolling motor and be lazy today. So let's get to some fishing. This water is ultra clear in here. Hopefully that don't make tough fishing. Tell you what, it's ripping around that corner. This current is moving. Huh. Let's start out throwing this glow VUDU. That's 15-pound Yozuri with FG knot and this Ceros 3000 Gander Vortex. I've had this rod for ever, man, and I've caught some beasts of fish on it. These steel guides, man, you just can't go wrong with them. The eyelets don't come out of them. This rod, I'm telling you, I've caught some overslot, or I've caught a 40-inch redfish on this rod. First cast, baby, and it's a good trout. Really good trout, man. Oh, there he goes. Huh. Well, probably should get my net ready, man. That was a good 18-inch trout right there. First cast, man. Oh, scary. I hate catching a fish on the first cast. Ugh. Bad hook set. He kind of thumped it and I didn't. Got him again. Next cast, dude. Oh, there we go. Get a little trout. Heck yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice little trout to start the day. First one we landed, first one got away is a lot bigger than this too. All right, number one of the day. Nice speckled trout. Get on down there. Whew, 2 casts. Slimy, goodness gracious, back to back. 2 nice trout. Probably need to go ahead and whip out the bug spray here in a minute. Oh, he whacked it. Oh. There are so many fish in here right now. All right, I gotta put some, before I do anything else, I got to put bug spray on. All right, bug spray is on. Lure going back out. All right, just let this sit to the bottom and get 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Got him. Caught him. I think it's another nice trout, man. Oh, it is. It's a good one. Good trout. Come on, get in here. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Well, I sure wish I'd have brought ice chest. That hook just came out. Well, I sure wish I had an ice chest. Heck yeah, man. Oh, buddy, come on. That's a good trout there. We'll measure him, see what he is. Got my measure stick under the seat. "18-inch trout." 18's right there. He's almost 18. He's close. Nose touching. Yep. Heck yeah. 18-incher. Going back. Whoa, he was ready to go. Boys, we are on them this morning. I got tons of bait under me too. I want one of them big old bull reds. There's a good ball of bait under me right now. Boy, we are on them. Man, I'd love to just tear them up. All right, we're going back in there. Got him. That might be a good speck there. Are you trying to rip drag? That's a speckled trout. It's a dog. I think it's a red. We got ourselves a red. No, it's a big. Oh man, get the net. Gosh. Oh, dude, let's go. Oh man, dude, that is a dog. Oh my gosh. Dude, that is a huge speckled trout. He's got some shoulders on him, boy. Oh, yes, sir. That's what we're after. just donkey, man. Gosh. That's a 20-incher. Look at the mouth on that guy. I gotta get this VUDU out. Oh boy, let's go. Look at the size of that one. Phew. That's a big speck. Let's measure him. All right. 20 and a quarter. 20 right there. Oh, he's over 20. Let's go. 20, almost 20 and a half inches. Man, look at that bruiser. Whew. Let's get him back. There he goes. Sick, man. That was such a big speckled trout, dude. 21-incher. We don't get too many big ones, man. I've seen some big ones caught, but Alabama just doesn't have a... Got him. Keeper speck still. Oh, that one's got a, ooh, looks like a osprey or an owl tried to get after him. All right, buddy. Yeah, he got by something. Huh, sick. Woo. Buddy done been caught, then survived a hawk or a eagle encounter. He ain't very smart. Man, where my redfish at, dude? I want a red. Ooh, he hit it. Fuck, he hit it again. Look at him just, whoa. 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 Oh, they love that glow VUDU, man, I'm telling you. Alrighty, another keeper speck. He's drumming a little bit. All right, buddy. Whoa. Back to the land down under. Man, dude, we are on them, boys. We are on them. This hole I'm fishing in, it goes from like just a foot deep to 12 to 11 foot out here. So, I mean, they have no choice but to be in here. whacked it. Got him that time. Nice. Put you in the net if you don't chill out. There we go. Get back in there. Yeah, if you find these schools of specks in the wintertime in a hole, there's a good chance there's gonna be a bunch more with it. There we go. Another speckled trizzy. Oh, snap. What? What do I have? I must have found a red. I think I did. If this is a speckled trout, it's a freaking big one. Holy crap. Nice redfish. Really nice red, actually, I think. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's a good one. Oh yeah, good red. Oh. Nice and slow. Oh yeah. Tell you what, my wrist hurts. They got so much fight in them this time of year, man. There we go. Ooh, yeah. That's a good fish, man. Whew. Heck yeah, boy. He kind of just ate it sitting on the bottom, I guess. Heck yeah. Inhaled that voodoo. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. Here. That is such a pretty redfish, man. Whew. Nice. Look at that voodoo. Yes, sir. Had barely in the roof of his mouth, too. You're gonna outdo my scale. That's 22. So 22 and a half. He's probably 23 and a quarter, 23 and a half. Sweet, man. Nice fish. That's the one we were after right there. Let's see if I can get a good little. All right, buddy. Thank you for the fight. You go back down there and get big. Let's go. That's what it's all about. Oh, it's a little trout. Water skiing. Whoa. Little bitty trout. What the freak? Oh God. Gotta be another red. Got to be. Yeah. Yes, sir. Right, no. They're feeding. That tail's blue. Oh, dang, man. Look at the fish everywhere, man. Oh, parasites on him. All right, get a measurement. 20-inch fish. That's a nice little 20-incher there. Back to fight another day. Redfish, little rat. That's the smallest one I've caught in a long time. Little rat red. Little rat red. It's gonna end it for this spot. I'm probably gonna go to a different creek system and try it there. So we'll see when we get there. All right, we just pulled up to our second spot. There's a point right here. It's fairly deep. I think it's like 8-9 feet. Got him. I think we got a decent trout here. Yeah. Let's go. That's a decent trout. 16 to 17 incher right there. Chomp, chomp. Dang, I got double whacked. Oh snap. I got a big old, I think I might have a big old redfish. I do. Alrighty, well the camera died mid-fight. Just landed this nice one. Give me it back. Give me it back. Alright. I just want to get a measurement, buddy, real quick, and we'll let you go. "20-incher. Back to fight another day. I think I just figured out what I was working it too fast earlier. Well, this little Gander Mountain rod sure does put it to them. Ooh, snap. There we go. Whoa. Nice. Another one. Woo. There we go. That little glove VUDU has caught some fish today. Alright, buddy, if you just let me grab you. Right there, that's how. Whoop. Man, Last fishing trip before the new year, going out with a bang. Alright, I said I know I was going to stop casting, but I can't when it's like this. Another one. Another one. Little rat. Bloop. I'm a little cold. I'm about to put these rods up and get out of here. One more Hail Mary. Get that hook in it. This might be the good one to end on. He hasn't bolted yet. I don't know how big he is. Can't even see my line. We're gonna end on this one if I can land him. That's a nice fish. See if I can do this without falling in. Yes. Nice, man, nice. I'm gonna end on that one, but you know I'm gonna cast again. Goodness. Hook just fell right out. That is probably gonna be my final redfish of the day. I'm gonna cast one more time, but I don't know how lucky I'm gonna get. But that is the fish we were looking for today. Truly love these guys. Grateful to go into another year catching these fish. Whew, thank you, buddy. Oh, he's ready to go back. All right, I'm gonna make one more cast and we're gonna head right back into the wind. Probably gonna be a wet ride back, but stay pinned. Ooh, coming out the water. I'm locking this drag up. It's killing my wrist. Last fish of 2024. Get in here. Let's go. What a good way to end it, man. Give you the courtesy of holding you up for everybody. Last fish 2024. Oh man, what a great year. Oh, thank you, buddy. Give you a kiss. Oh, yes, what a year, man. I'm literally, it almost makes me emotional because of how hard I've fished this year. How many hours and hours I've spent away from friends and family fishing, but it is genuinely what I love. It's what makes me me. So I'm gonna rip a royalty cast in there and we gonna skedaddle. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna end the last video of 2024. It's been an awesome fishing season. I'm glad that y'all have been able to stick with me throughout the year and watch these videos. It's been a blast for me to make them, and I can't thank you guys enough for the support and watching these videos. It means the world to me. And yeah, I'm so stoked that this fishing trip ended the way it did. Caught plenty of fish to cap out the year, and I'm gonna go home and get out of this wind. But I genuinely thank everybody for tuning in and watching my videos. Going into 2025, let's try to have a bigger and better year. So thank you everybody, genuinely from the bottom of my heart, for watching, and we'll see you in 2025.